Welcome back to Primetime News, and again, a special welcome to those of you watching online at onespotmedia.com. Up first this evening, the Jamaica Constabulary Force, JCF, is rejecting claims of bias in the investigation involving former Agriculture Minister Floyd and the alleged breach of the Disaster Risk Management Act in early September. The JCF is insisting the probe is still underway. But there is another concern. What charges, if any, can be brought against the former minister? More in this report.
It's been almost 2 weeks since former Minister of Agriculture Floyd resigned following the viral video of him celebrating and toasting on a no-movement day at a restaurant. Less than 24 hours after the viral video of the celebration, resigned and apologies followed from him and the others for their action. So, why hasn't the police acted? The police have been criticized for its seeming snail-paced investigation, with comparisons also being drawn from occasions where people who openly breached the DRMA rules were treated. Head of JCF's Crime and Security Portfolio, Deputy Commissioner Fitz Bailey, says the case is delicate.
I know people compare this with other events. We have had situations where the person who was charged, they actually created their own video. So it was easy for you, and they confessed that they make this video, etc.
Under the Evidence Act, the person who records the video must come forward so law enforcement can authenticate the video. And with no one coming forward, DCP Bailey says the police have requested the CCTV footage from the hotel where the event took place. However, there has been some delay. The hotel is seeking legal advice on how to proceed. In the meantime, the police have requested that the video recordings not be deleted.
At no time did the manager tell the officers that they were not cooperating, but they indicated that they have to seek the advice of their lawyer. That advice have not been made known to the police officers. So when I hear the arguments being spread that the police is treating the matter differently from others, no, we are a professional organization and there are protocols that must be followed.
But what are the possible charges the former minister may face, if any?
The clause which stated that certain category of workers can only move on a no-movement day in relation to their particular profession. Yeah. That has been removed. And there's a carte blanche ability to move by these individuals, including Minister of Government.
Javon Keys, TVJ News.